It's like it's not what we're built for, right?
And that connection happens through that shared pain, that shared suffering.
Yeah,
You can't break
yeah,
that bond.
yeah. Like Navy SEAL guys, like they always pull their old guys from buds from when they came through the buds, right?
Yeah.
And to do like other challenging things like ultra marathons and whatever really hard things.
Yeah.
They always pull those guys with them because they suffer together. So they're like, okay, we can do this together. And that's what they say, right? When you're in the thing, it's like you surrender to yourself and you become one with everybody, and then you're able to endure just like till forever, right? Till the end.
Yeah.
You're able to endure a lot more.
So a few years ago, and it's just Mount Baldy. It's like 10,000 feet in the Inland Empire. They did what's it called? It's the Climb for Heroes. It's for veterans. And on the way there, you see disabled veterans. They're manning stations. But I called up a couple of my military buddies just on the whim. I said, "Hey, let's go do this. No training, nothing." And we're we're not 20 anymore, so we went and we did the hike, and it was a lot tougher than we thought. But there was never any point that we were even thinking about quitting. We got to the last like 1,200 feet, and we walked for it was like to that wall. We're like, we're gonna walk to that wall, take a breath. We walked to the wall, took a little break, all the way up until the top. But it was tough, and it was like the bond that the three of us created in the military is unbreakable.
Yeah,
Unbreakable. So,
yeah. Together, you guys finished it.
yeah.
But that helped, right? So,
Yeah.
And you surrender right to that. That I think with jiu-jitsu, right, too. It's like being part of a team, being something bigger than yourself. Once you really tap into that, that's your superpower.